Alright, so I've got my 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth. We're going to do a little walk around and a start up, and then I'll show you the valved exhaust that we've got on here. So converted it from the factory dual to a single for weight savings, and then I put a valve on it. You see where the second pipe would be. Got a tow strap if you ever want to track it, or just if you ever need towed because it's so low, that way you'll keep your bumper. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start this up, and then I'll show you the valve.